It is now new that when it comes to growing your natural hair, you really do not need too much. All you need is effective ingredients and right application. Watch this video as I'll be unraveling hair growth secrets using just 2 ingredients. If you've been struggling to grow or retain your hair length, is it that you've been battling with hair shedding, hair loss, or better still any scalp condition? All you need is this powerful hair growth oil to thicken, darken, and strengthen your hair, of which my first ingredient for today's video is clove. Clove, I know for sure, is that one ingredient that there is no way you will use it within 1 week and you won't see changes in your hair growth. Clove helps to thicken our natural hair and helps to control chronic scalp inflammations. It contains properties that can stimulate blood flow into the scalp, which in turn promotes hair follicle activities and encourage healthy hair growth. Moving on to the next ingredient, where I'll be making use of onion. When added to our hair, onion provides extra sulfur to support strong and thick hair. This sulfur also helps to promote collagen production that support healthy hair growth. It is used in reversing graying of our natural hair. Onion helps to moisturize dry and brittle hair. It helps to calm itchy scaly scalp and get rid of scalp conditions such as dandruff and alopecia. And just in case you're wondering if you can use white onion for this treatment, the answer is yes, you can use anyone available. Go ahead and mix the two together and transfer into the blender. As well, make use of any other carrier oil such as coconut oil. Just make sure that the carrier oil you'll be using is very light in consistency as you'll be blending everything together. Now, to extract this powerful hair growth oil, all you have to do is to transfer into the pan and allow to fry on a low-medium heat for about 25 to 30 minutes. At this point, you want to make sure that you're stirring it so it won't stick to the bottom of your pan. Do not forget low-medium heat so you won't get rid of all the essential nutrients by burning it. And apart from that, so it won't be smelling smoky or smelling like onion. So this is what yours should look like as well. I'm done frying, then I will allow to cool down before straining it out. Straining, and this is what it looks like. And for some of us that can't stand the smell of onion, first off, this is not smelling like onion again, which is why the way you fry it is very important. And even as at that, do not panic as I have the solution to prevent that. All you have to do is to grab your essential oil such as peppermint oil, tea tree oil, lavender oil, jojoba oil, and so on. Add about 10 to 12 drops of any of these essential oil into the super potent hair growth oil and you're good to go. As for me, I'll be making use of my wild growth hair oil. I'll be adding 10 drops of that, mix everything together, then transfer into my empty clean bottle for storage. You want to make sure that your bottle is very clean so as to avoid any form of contamination that can hinder effectiveness of the treatment. And like I told you guys, it's not enough to prepare a treatment. The question is, how do you apply it for better effectiveness? Which is why I'll be showing you guys the method and the best way to apply this treatment. Application of this treatment, all you need to do is to make sure that your hair is well moisturized. You can moisturize your hair using your leave-in conditioner. I also have several videos of hair growth spray on this channel. You can check them out. As soon as you're done moisturizing, then you can go ahead and apply this treatment generously to your scalp and your edges. done applying, the next thing to do is to massage your scalp thoroughly and gently, using your fingertips for about 4 to 5 minutes in a circular motion for better absorption of the treatment. If you have any questions for me regarding this treatment or your hair in general, kindly drop it in the comment section below, as I'll be there to answer all your questions. Apply this treatment twice in a week and see the magic of vanilla and clove on your hair. So yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. If you enjoyed this video and you find this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a huge fat fake thumbs up, drop your comment in the comment section below, smash that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Share this video with your friends and family, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.